Nestled amongst the towering Alps and verdant valleys of Switzerland lies a world seemingly untouched by time. It's really like a storybook landscape where charming villages, each with its own unique character, dot the countryside. These are places where, time seems to move a little slower, where ancient traditions live on, and where natural beauty knows no bounds. From the snow-capped peaks of the Jungfrau region to the sun-drenched shores of Lake Lugano, each village offers a unique tapestry of experiences. Whether it's the architectural charm of centuries-old chalets, the vibrant tapestry of local customs, or simply the breathtaking natural beauty that surrounds them, these villages offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of Switzerland. Join us now on a journey to discover some of the most heavenly beautiful villages Switzerland has to offer. We'll traverse diverse regions from the rugged Bernese Oberland to the fairy tale landscapes of Graubünden, unveiling the distinctive features that make each destination truly unforgettable. Our journey begins in Lauterbrunnen, a village nestled in a valley carved by glaciers. Here, 72 waterfalls cascade from towering cliffs, creating a symphony of sound and a spectacle that must be seen to be believed. Framed by the dramatic Eiger north face, Grindelwald is a paradise for adventurers. Year-round activities from skiing to hiking await, while charming chalets offer breathtaking panoramic views. The village of Zermatt, car-free and steeped in tradition, sits in the shadow of the mighty Matterhorn. Here, time-honored chalets line cobblestone streets, and the Gornergrat railway offers unparalleled views. Perched high above the Lauterbrunnen Valley, Murren is a car-free haven, accessible only by cable car. The reward for the journey is a breathtaking panorama of the Eiger, Monch and Jungfrau. Wengen, with its historic timber hotels and car-free tranquility, offers a step back in time. This is also the home of the legendary Lauberhorn, the world's longest downhill ski race. Appenzell is a feast for the senses, with its pastel-coloured houses, intricate folk art, and the aroma of freshly made cheese. Springtime brings lively festivals celebrating local traditions. Medieval streets wind their way through Gruyères, leading to a hilltop castle and the heart of Swiss cheesemaking. For a touch of the surreal, visit the H.R. Giger Museum. Step back in time in Stein am Rhein, where medieval buildings adorned with frescoes line the banks of the Rhine River. A short distance away, witness the power of the Rhinefall. Guarda, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its Engadine houses adorned with intricate sgraffito decorations. The annual Chalander Mars Festival is a vibrant celebration of spring. Morcote exudes a Mediterranean charm with arcaded buildings, lush botanical gardens, and a shimmering lakeside setting. This is a place to savor life's simple pleasures. Andermatt seamlessly blends alpine serenity with modern luxury. This mountain village offers a wealth of outdoor activities, from skiing to hiking, against a backdrop of majestic peaks. Saas-Fee, car-free and surrounded by towering peaks, is really a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. You can embark on glacial adventures, take on some challenging hikes, or, just soak in the pristine alpine air. Sils Maria, with its serene lakeside setting, has long been a place of inspiration for artists and philosophers. Here you can find tranquility amidst the natural beauty, whether you're hiking or just enjoying the peace. Tucked away in the Verzaska Valley, Ferolio is truly a hidden gem. A picturesque waterfall cascades beside stone houses, inviting you to explore its tranquil hiking trails and, honestly, its timeless beauty. From the dramatic heights of the Alps to the sun-kissed shores of its lakes, Switzerland's villages offer a tapestry of experiences as diverse and breathtaking as the landscapes themselves. Whether you seek adventure in alpine hamlets, cultural immersion in historic towns, or just a moment of tranquility amidst postcard-perfect scenery, Switzerland promises an experience that will stay with you long after you've said adieu. So slow down, take a deep breath of fresh mountain air, and allow yourself to be enchanted by the timeless beauty of Switzerland. Every season paints a new masterpiece, revealing hidden wonders and unforgettable moments.